In this Microsoft Excel quick tip, I will show you the quickest way to copy an Excel worksheet or spreadsheet. Let's get started. So here I am in Microsoft Excel and I have a list of fictional students and test scores. But what if I want to copy this? Maybe another test is coming up for the same students and I could just clear out the test scores to get prepared for this next test. First, let's look at the way that most Excel users copy a worksheet, and then we'll look at a better way. So here in the lower left corner, I'm going to right-click on the sheet's name tab. So test scores - table. I right-click on it and I can choose move or copy. I don't want to move this worksheet, I want to create a copy. So I'll check this box and then I can decide if I want to move it to the end of my list of sheet name tabs or to the beginning. I'll move it to the end. I click OK, and now I've got a copy of the first worksheet. So that involved several steps. I'm going to right-click on that second worksheet and delete. I'll click delete again, and let me show you a better way. If you hold Control on the keyboard, you can then click on the Sheet's Name tab here, and hold the click and then drag it to the right. Now if you look really closely at the little icon that I have here attached to my mouse pointer, you'll see there's a plus sign on there. That means that if I release the mouse button, Excel will create a copy of this worksheet. Let's try it. I'll release the mouse button and there's my copy. And because I dragged it to the right, it's moved to the end of the sheet name tabs. Now I'm going to click back on my original worksheet. If I hold Control and then hold the mouse click and then drag to the left, again I get that little plus sign as part of the icon. I release the mouse button and it doesn't seem to let me copy paste the worksheet to the left. But if I'm on this other worksheet, where there's definitely space to the left and to the right, I can hold Control, hold the left click on the mouse, and I can drag to the left to create a copy of the worksheet. In my opinion, this Control and then click left or right method is far superior to right-clicking and going through the menus to choose to copy rather than move a worksheet either to the right, left, or middle of your list of sheet name tabs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do that by clicking the thanks button below the video, or you could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of Patreon, I want to give a quick shout out to my $5 Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for all you do to support the channel. Your support helps me to be able to continue making these Excel videos and all of the different videos that I post on my channel. Thank you.